Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to hide WhatsApp message conversations on iPhone. As you can see, my one is Android, but let me assure you this thing is it is both workable for Android and iPhone. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. And before that, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. So let's get right into it. Head over to your WhatsApp application. And suppose you want to hide this one, and just keep tapped on it, and there will be an archive option on the upper right corner. You can just archive it, or otherwise you can just clear the chat for the rest of the time. And yeah, this is how you can just do it. Suppose I am doing this for this one, and click on archive and click archive. And yeah, this is how your WhatsApp message conversation is hidden. And you can also retrieve it from this archive section on the upper portion of your WhatsApp application. And yeah, this is how you can do it.